surface is smooth, this inner wall will be rough. It's not bigger. I think you, what is it, sir? How the diagram? So you can take it something like this bowl. Here you are going to keep a block, and if you give velocity, it will start moving inside the this particular thing, and there'll be this particular wall will be rough. I'm making thick this one. This wall will be rough. This is smooth. Able to analyze the diagram? You take any some block or something, some vegetable, cucumber, something, no, keep it in a plate. The plate will have side walls, and along the circumference, you just kick that one or just give velocity. Sir, how to give velocity? Strike it, then it will start moving, no? Start moving along the circumference, and the side wall, the vertical wall will be rough. It will offer some friction. Okay, let's come for that. What are the forces they'll be acting? Normal contact in, because the wall will be in, the block will be in contact with the rough vertical wall, no? This is, then after this, is that okay, all of you? So there's a bowl, or there's like a plate or cylinder, anything you can take it. There's a cylinder. The vertical walls of cylinder is rough, and the base is smooth. How the n will, there are two ends are there. One will be normal contact will be there. There'll be two ends. One will be by the base. The other is what? N2 I'm writing. This N2 will be in this direction. And will be directed towards center. Got this idea, no? Okay, let's come for this. How the friction should act here. I'm going to show that friction will be here like this. By whom? By the rough wall, not by the smooth base. Now what I should write? F mu n1 plus n2 also root of that one. What is the resultant normal contact? Root of n1 square plus n2 square. So what this friction I should take here? No? What is the resultant normal contact? I'm just confusing you. The resultant normal contact is n1 square plus n2 square. What is n1? One is mg. What is the other thing? mv square by r. Okay, fine. So this much is the conditions, no? The N2 will provide required centrifugal force. Tell me what shall I write? F shall I write mu n? F should be only mu n2, nowhere related to n1, because the friction is there between what? Between the vertical wall and the block, no? If the base is also smooth, then friction open due to mu n also will come. This is smooth, so therefore you should write still F equal to mu n n2 only. So because of this, it will undergo retardation, tangential retardation. So what is N2? Mu m v square by r. Look at the friction I brought it where it is proportional to speed in this case. So then what is the tangential retardation? Minus f by m. So here this should be mu m v square by r. So mu v square by r. So what is the question asked? Find the velocity of the block at t equal to 1 second. Initially some velocity is given after some time. Now look at this acceleration as a function of speed. So any method, go back to kinematics. This A tangential, you can also write it as dv by dt. So further integration dv by v square equal to minus mu by r dt. This should be initial velocity v naught at any instant of time. First we'll calculate. So this should become equal to v minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus mu t r. So this should be minus 1 by v. Solving this should be 1 by v naught plus mu t by r equal to 1 by v. So v equal to v naught r plus okay, look at this is the expression for speed. I think there's nothing to do with circular motion, no? Some resultant of forces will provide central force. It's all about again the basics, what we learned in laws of motion. You should be very clear about the diagram, sir. You look at the question. This is enough. Student must have a small box lights on a frictionless table. It is constrained to move inside a cylinder along the quotient of friction between the block and the ring is telling this is the ring or cylinder. You must have enough basic observation. Even in final exams also, things will be like this one. You can't complain. So immediately it should flash for you. Oh, I'm doing something situation of like this. So give maximum priority for understanding what actually it is. The rest all mathematics are once you get there. And regarding the friction, look at the friction now. As a previous problem you wrote, F equal to mu n1 plus m2 something you did. But here you are not doing. F should be equal to mu n, but you are writing only mu n2. There is a friction between what? Between only the vertical wall and the block is there, no? Side wall. If there were friction here, then you would have brought another friction. Okay, got this? So these are the types of numerical. Circular motion, actually for namesake circular motion, again we went for all the application part only, no? Evening I'll take class. Very badly we need a lot of concepts still to be discussed. Again tomorrow also I have to discuss few concepts Saturday. After paper discussion, we have to discuss few more concepts because it's a very fundamental chapter. Because a lot of diagrams, equations are there, no? It will take some time also. Evening 6 o'clock I'll take class. Okay, fine all of you? Evening I'll intimate.
Okay, sir.
At 6 p.m. sharp will start. Or 6:10. Maybe Venkana sir will be taking, no? Either way. I'll
Okay.
inform the timing.
Sir, could you once scroll down, sir?
Okay, ma. Yeah. Completed?